How to start conversation on Hangouts for iPad. If you wish to start a conversation on Hangouts for iPad, you will need to install the app. To start the conversation, tap on the plus button from the bottom. You will see your contacts here. You can now add any contact to your conversation. If you do not see the person you wish, just write on the input from the top the name, email, or phone for that person. Let's write an email. The system will find the person. Tap on that user. You will start a conversation with that person. Now let's write a message to test it. Hit the send button. Please note, it is better to tell this person you have sent him a message, as your conversation might get to the invitation zone and could be missed by that person. You can send an image to that person, send a photo you made with the camera, or some emojis. If you tap on the picture, you will get this notice. Tap on OK to see the images. Select an image and send it. Tap on the camera button. Tap again OK to allow Hangouts for iPad to use the camera. Take a picture and send it. You can also record the video on the bottom right button. Tap on the emoji button. Select an emoji and send it. If you tap on the three dots menu from the top right, you will see more buttons. People, Options, and Create a new group. Let's tap on People. You will see the person who you started the chat. Here, you will also be able to start a group chat with this person. If you tap again on the three dots menu from the top and select Options, you will see here some other features like notification. You can set up so that the chat will not send you notification if you swipe this to off. Also, you will be able to delete the conversation or archive it. Archiving a conversation will remove it from the main page of conversation, but will keep the conversation into your history. On the top of the screen, you will have a call, video and audio button. This will be done via the internet, so you will be able to talk to anybody all over the world. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.